Hey Wanderers! Today, we are taking the Skyliner all the way from Riviera Resort to Hollywood Studios. It's a quick trip, so let's get straight into it. Riviera is one of 4 resorts connected to this gondola system. There is no direct line from here to Hollywood Studios. Every gondola on this route has to pass through one hub first. That hub is Caribbean Beach. It is the only station on the whole system where every line meets.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner and Disney Riviera Resort, a Disney vacation club. If you are just joining us, we are on our way to Disney
Caribbean Beach is actually the best placed resort on the whole system. It is the only one with a direct ride to both Epcot and Hollywood Studios. Every other resort on this route has to change gondolas here. The resort is split into villages, each with its own beach, pool, and even hammocks along the water. It's such a huge property that Disney runs an internal bus just to get guests around it. When it opened back in 1988, it was actually one of the largest hotels in the whole state of Florida. Caribbean Beach is also the best placed resort on the whole Skyliner system. It's the only one with a direct ride to both Epcot and Hollywood Studios. Every other resort on this route has to change gondolas here, and today, that includes us. Starting at Riviera like we are today, that transfer is unavoidable. This is the one stretch of footage I could not capture, the walk between platforms. But here is what happens. You get off, follow the signage across the station, switch to the next line, and board a new gondola for the next leg. From here, it is a straight run to Hollywood Studios, about 5 minutes in the air. You can even see the Hollywood Tower of Terror in the distance.
Ladies, gentlemen, and islanders of all ages, welcome aboard. In just a few minutes, we will be arriving at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Whether you plan to visit a galactic outpost or play with all of Andy's toys, at Disney's Hollywood Studios, everyone can become the stars of their favorite cinematic story.
And that's the full trip, Riviera all the way to Hollywood Studios by Skyliner, with one transfer along the way. If you want to keep exploring parks like this with us, subscribing to the channel means a lot and helps us keep making these videos. Hope to see you on the next one.